The joint entrance exam, JEE, Main 2024 Session 1 is over, and applicants who attended the exam are now taking a breath of relief with curiosity to know more about the paper and their score. One of the things that is floating fast is the desire among JEE main candidates to determine the toughest shift of the JEE Main 2024 January session. The difficulty level directly affects the cutoff. More difficult papers tend to have a lower cutoff, and vice versa. As per the JEE Main 2024 exam analysis by subject experts, the overall difficulty level of the exam was easy to moderate. Questions from mathematics were lengthy in most shifts, days, physics was moderate while chemistry was easy. NTA conducted the JEE Mains 2024 Paper 1 Session 1 exam on January 27, 29, 30, 31, and February 1. The exam was held in 2 daily shifts, the morning shift from 9 am to 12 pm and the evening shift from 3 pm to 6 pm. JEE Main 2024 paper analysis for the January 27, 29, 30, 31, and February 1 exams is available here for both shifts.